Hey everybody, it's Cliff here again. What I want to do today is talk to you about how to access your battery and your fuses in case you're going down the road and you get a problem, you think it might be a fuse. Here's how you get to it. So here we go. First thing you want to do is pop your hood, and this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a bucket and you're going to see this cover. So your battery's right under here. And you get two fuse boxes on each side right here. So here's how you get to it. You grab this cover, pull up. This cover comes right off. And the next thing you're going to see is this bucket. And this bucket has these little plugs that you're very familiar with. And those plugs require this tool or a screwdriver to get up under the plug, and then you got to pull this little grommet out. After you pull the plug out, it's going to look like that, and you need to get this tool up and under that plug and pull this out also. So what you'll notice here is on my bike, how I run mine is I've taken the plugs, there's 4 of them, one down here, one here, one up here, and one over here. I've taken mine out and I leave them out because if I'm on the road, the last thing I'm going to have in my pocket is one of these. So I take them out and leave them out. So we pulled off the cover, and now we're going to pull up this, let's grab this bucket, shake it a little bit, and out it comes. So here's your battery, negative terminal, positive terminal. Got a few things hooked up to it. Pull the battery out. You just got to take those screws out, and inside here there's a little bitty nut. So when you pull the battery out, lean it forward and pull it straight out so you don't tilt it, and these screws will pop out, and then you're going to have to hunt for them, and that's not going to be fun. So try to remember that. So also, when you're taking your battery out, you count how many terminals you have on each side. So on the negative side I have 3, and on the positive side I have 4. So I know when I hook it back up, I recognize which ones are which, and we're to hook those back up. Again, you just pull this little cover right here, this pops off, you can wiggle your battery out. There you go. As far as the fuses go, here's a fuse box right there and a fuse box right there, and the covers will tell you what fuse goes to what. So to get to your fuses, there's a little lever right here at the top, right there, and there's the same thing on the bottom. And what you're going to do is just pinch those and pull it towards you, and there are your fuses. Again, the cover tells you what they go to, and your extras and spares are right inside the lid. Pretty handy, huh? All right, put it back on. Put the cover on there, just push it, you'll hear it click. Same thing for this side. You're going to get in it, squeeze the levers, pull it towards you, and you have fuses behind the cover. Put it back together. What you're going to do is put your bucket in like that, and you're going to take your cover, and you notice I got a grommet hole here and one here. And when you flip this cover upside down, these grommets right here and right here fit in those 2 holes. And it's going to go like this. And it takes a little bit of practice. There's 1, and over here there's 2. And this lever, this little guy right here, is my battery charger. So I have about 5 months I don't ride because of the snow. So I just let that hang, and that's where I hook up my battery charger. It's really easy, ready to go. So that's how you access your battery and your fuses. And a little trick, go buy a package of mini fuses in case you pop them, a couple of them for some reason, until you kind of isolate what's going on. I've always got an extra set for maybe some buddies I'm riding with that don't have them. So just throw that in there, leave it in there. And that's how you access your battery. Hope that helps you. Talk to you later. Bye.